Hi everybody, it's me Colleen, your favorite 31 gift gal, and today what I want to show you, and I'm really excited to show this to you guys because every 31 customers love our thermals, and what 31 did, now they created a hands-free thermal into this one. Check this out everybody. This is called the Going Places Thermal, and yes, you guessed it right, it is hands-free because it's a crossbody bag. You can use it as crossbody bag. It makes carrying lunches in the office or snacks for the whole family easier than ever, of course. And as an added bonus, you can personalize this beautiful thermal. So let's check what's inside. It is zippered, so you can secure your essentials. And look, there is already a mesh pocket, right? So if you can put bottled water or other things, you can even put your keys in it and make it as a bag, right? So this is why I love 31 products. You know, they are built in thermal, and at the same time, you can use them as your irregular bags or purses. So this is our Going Places thermal, everybody. And this print is called the Navy Doodle Dot. So check this out in my website. It would be www.mypurselife.com. And if you have any questions, just comment down below in this YouTube and I'll be able to answer your questions. And thank you so much for watching and happy shopping. Bye.